Hi everyone, I'm Rich. Welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to show you guys something I just recently picked up. It's the Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 2 Alpha. Now I got this for a really great deal at my local Best Buy for around $599. I think it's like a Christmas special or something at this time recording. But nonetheless, the Flex 2 Alpha is one of Samsung's more budget-friendly laptops on their market. And I never had a 2-in-1 tablet before. The closest thing I had was a Microsoft Surface Book, which the screen could detach. But enough jibber jabber. Let's get straight into it.
Whatever you want.
Alright, so here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, it's really light. Looks like this comes in your standard cardboard box. I've seen with the Galaxy Pro 360s and all that, they have like the white levitating box design, but get the knife out. There's only one seal. Ooh, okay. Not bad. Oh, this is the power adapter. I'm not sure why, but this is like a super soft packaging. Like, you can hear the sound of it. But let's take the laptop out itself. Yeah, they give us a quick start guide. Never really had to use these, so might as well just chuck it back in the box. Wow, this is really light. Everything about this packaging is super soft, and I don't know, it sounds really cool too. It's like an ASMR video. Alright, let's take this out of the shell. Wow. that is clean. Oh baby. That Samsung logo is glistening. And it's super lightweight too. Everything about this is like sturdy, it's well built. And so they give you the standard 3-prong power adapter right here. Nothing too special. I have millions of these. Small AC power adapter. Alright, I'm ready to open this thing. Let's see how it is. Alright, so before I open it, let's take a look on the outside. You get two USB 3.0 ports, fan grills in the back. On the left hand side you get a charging port, HDMI, USB-C port, and headphone jack. It's pretty nice. I mean, it's good to see this laptop packing a bunch of ports unlike other manufacturers. Apple. Can it do the one finger opening design? No, I don't think so. Wow. Alright, so what's really cool and why I picked this up is that it came with a QLED screen, which definitely looks really sharp. This is not your typical 1080p screen, but I do like setting this up. I believe this laptop, straight off the bat here, we have Windows 11. Let's go. I do like the new animation that Windows 11 is giving us here. Yeah, the keyboard feels really good. Let's set up the Touch ID. Okay, so I can kind of hear the fans kick in. It's not too loud. All of it is exiting through the back here. So this is gonna take a few minutes. Alright, so while I'm waiting, the Galaxy Book Flex 2 Alpha is definitely the cheaper end of Samsung's laptop. So it is packing the Intel Core i5 1135 G7 processor. From what I heard, it definitely is by no means a absolute powerhouse, but I heard it's actually very capable of doing some light gaming on the side, as well as being speedy and efficient for, you know, what it's worth. And then the included Intel Iris Xe graphics. Definitely want to see how that performs while I game too. I kind of want to push this machine just a little bit further. It has 256 gigabytes of SSD storage, 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, all in a 13.3-inch 1920 by 1080p screen. Alright, so I will say it's been a while since I've seen a screen like this wide, like 16:9 aspect ratio. I've been using the MacBook Pro and the Surface Book for quite some time, and they got some screens that are more, you know, taller, but this one's more widescreen. Ooh, you see that? You see that? Doesn't feel like I'm scratching the keys or anyway. This is actually kind of cool. I mean, at this price point, you're actually getting a lot. You're getting a 2-in-1 tablet. You get some USB 3.0 ports, a really nice keyboard, a decent trackpad, a nice overall build. Okay, Windows 11 off to a fresh start. Display looking good. Display looking good. As you can tell guys, the brightness on this gets pretty bright. As you can see, it illuminating my entire face. I'm gonna turn it down. Everything feels really snappy so far. I really want to use this in like the 2-in-1 mode though. Okay, so you can keep it like this. It's pretty sturdy. Alright, so that's pretty much the unboxing of this laptop. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. I'll definitely be doing a review on this later on, so if you want to see that, you know, hit that like button. But until then guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.